Hello guys, Oboye here. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process in which you can publish change of name in Nigerian newspaper. So in this video, I'm going to use two Nigerian newspaper for example, and at the end of the video, I'm going to give you an very important information that you need to pay attention to. So guys, let's go right into the video. If you're watching this video on YouTube, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. If you're watching this video on Facebook, ensure that you like this video and also share this video with your friends and family. So guys, let's go right into the video fully. Alright, so the first newspaper we're going to do here is the Daily Trust newspaper. So I'll make this link available in the comment section. So with this link, you can actually use it to do change of name. Alright guys, so all you have to do is basically fill up all this form. To get here, as I told earlier, you can click on the link in the comment section, it will bring you here. So you're going to put in here, just have to put in your full name. In this case, I'm Danade Oboye. I put in my email, and this is the amount of money you're going to pay for the change of name to Daily Trust. It's actually 3,000 naira. Then you're going to put the old name here. So when you put the old name, then you're going to put in the new name. You confirm your new name, you put in your phone number. Now this place is where you're going to upload your marriage certificate or affidavit. You're going to put it there, and when you are done, just click on submit, and you're able to submit. So and you're going to make payment. After making payment, your application will be submitted. Then just have to wait for them to actually get back to you. Now the second newspaper I'm going to show you on how you can do change of name publication is the Guardian's newspaper. So this is it here, and the Guardian newspaper have some particular information they need to give to you. So here you can see change of name. Hello, classified name adverts are published in the Guardian's paper on Wednesdays and Sundays. So it's only on Wednesday and Sundays that the Guardians publish change of name. And booking made between 2 p.m. on Friday to 12 noon on Tuesday are published on Wednesday, while booking made between 2 p.m. on Tuesday to 12 p.m. on Friday are public on Saturday. And the amount of money for Guardian's newspaper is actually 3,000. You can see it here, 3,549 naira. So to get started, all you have to do so to click on proceed. So in the Guardian's paper, in order for you to change your name, there are 3 important steps you need to follow. The first one, you're going to write your old name. Let's say, for example, my old name is Dan. Let me just put Dan. And my new name, let me put Daniel. Okay, as full name. Then I'm going to confirm my full name. You repeat it again as you want it to be. They're going to choose your gender, you're a male or female. So here I'm a male, so I'm going to click on male. Then I'm going to click on next. They will take you to the second part here, that what do you want to do? Do you want to do change of name or confirmation of name? So I want to do change of name. I'll tap change of name. Then what are the things that you want to put there? So is it general public take note? Or so in most cases this is actually done for you. So you can leave it blank. It's optional to do it for you. Then here you're going to upload proof of name change. So it can be court affidavits, or it can be marriage certificate. So the only thing you can see here, they haven't give you the information that is only marriage certificate and court affidavits that are acceptable. Then when you are through, you upload it and come and click on next. So when you click on next, okay, I need to upload. So let me just put something here, so I can actually pass this place by. So I'm just going to upload any document I have. So you have to actually snap it and upload it there. So here, let me just upload these screenshots. Okay. Then when I click on that, it's going to upload definitely. Then I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to go to the top place here, which is the contact name. Now, who do you want to contact? You. So you're going to put your contact name here. So I'm going to put my name as my contact name here, Daniel. Okay, Daniel Adeoboye. Then my email, we'll put in my email. I'm going to put in my email, also fill my phone number, and I'm going to click on next. So here it'll give you a quick preview that you're almost done. Confirm the information below before posting. This is exactly how it will be published in the newspaper. So I, formerly known as Dan, now to be known as Dan Adeboye, all formal document remain valid. General public take note. Then you're going to click on make payment. So you're going to make the payment of 3,000. So you're going to see 3,549. So when I click on proceed on making payment, then I'm going to make payment, and you can see this particular information that given to you down here is that you're classified. So you can see it here. You should read it carefully. Your classified name adverts are published on the Guardians in print on Wednesday and Saturday. So also Guardians also publish their change of name on Wednesdays and Saturday. Booking must be placed at least 48 hours before the next publish date. So you actually click on make payment, and you make payment, then they'll give you receipt and this and that. Then you'll be contacted and when this thing is out, you actually get it. So guys, but there's a easiest way, a faster way you can actually do it. Is actually asking me to do it for you. I can actually do your change of name for you for just 5,000 naira. I'm going to do your change of name, and you're going to get it. I'm going to send it to you directly to your DM. So if you want me to do your change of name for you, it's actually 5,000 naira, and you can actually comment below or come to my DM. Then we can get you changed through. Just send me the name you want to change to and the evidence. So guys, these are you can do change of name. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer you. All right, guys, bye.